by a Geneva mechanism, where a Geneva disc having 6 radial slot is driven by a revolving pin. Before starting rotation, the locking pin is withdrawn by a cantilever mechanism. The single rotation of the disc holding the indexing pin is derived from the auxiliary shaft with the help of another single revolution clutch as indicated for automatic lathe, ratchet and ball mechanism. Automatic lathe, this one is the automatic lathe. I have to cover some more topic, that's why I am moving. This one is the Norton type tumbler gear quick change gearbox in the power driven. Intermediate gate gear, tumbler gear. So you have to change the gear position so that your speed arises if you want to do the operation at high speed. These are the questions on the taper, internal taper. Time required for calculating the thing. Consider the following operation and time required on a multi-spindle automatic machine to produce a particle job: turning 1.2, drilling 1.6 minute, arming 0.2 minute, parting. The time required to make one piece will be. On a multi-spindle automatic machine, simultaneously more than one operation may perform. So, most on the 1.6 minute you can complete all the operation, because in multi-spindle automatic machine you can perform more operation. So simultaneously you can perform lots of operation. These are the end of the lathe machine. Next, I am going to cover another machine, that is the milling machine. Milling machine. Milling machines of various types are widely used for the following purposes: using proper cutting tools called milling cutter, flat surface in vertical, horizontal and inclined planes, making slot or ribs of various sections, slitting or parting, often producing surfaces of revolution, making helical groove like flutes of the drill, long thread milling on large lead screw, power screw, wound, etc., and short thread milling for small size fastening screw, bolt, etc. 2D contouring like cam profile, clutches, 3D contouring like die or mold cavity, cutting teeth in piece or batch production of spur gear, straight tooth, bevel gear, wound wheel, sprocket clutches. These are the milling machines advantages: 2D contouring like cam profile, clutches, 3D contouring like die or mold cavity, cutting teeth in piece or batch production of spur gear, straight tooth, bevel gear, wound wheel, sprocket clutches. Producing some salient feature like grooves, flute, gusset and profile in various cutting tools, example drill, tap, reamer, hops, gear, shaping cutter. These are the some characteristics of milling machine. In milling machine you can do the lots of operation: flat surface in vertical, horizontal and inclined plane, parting of the two pieces, making slot or ribs of various sections, rectangular section, circular section, often producing surfaces of revolution, making helical grooves like flute of the drill, long thread milling on large lead screw, power screw, wound gear, wound, and short thread milling for small size fastening. These are the things you can cut the gear by using indexing mechanism, up milling and down milling. Advantage of down milling, advantage of this. I am having lots of videos. So I am going to play one or two videos so that your doubt will be clear on these topics. First, I am going to show a video on the lathe machine operation so that your all topic will be clear. Watch the video carefully.
Basic operation. In this video, we will discuss the basic operation in the lathe. Basic is an operation which produces flat surfaces. Basically, workpiece
operation, we can perform the different types of operation on the lathe machine. Next is the milling machine. What are the importance of the milling machine? Then, by using the slide, we can know what are the function we can do on the milling machine. This is the syllabus generally university follow under the manufacturing technology 2. In this syllabus, what are the tool geometry, what are the mechanism behind the chip formation, mechanics of machining, how cutting temperature generated, cutting temperature, how can be measure during the machining by using different types of thermocouple, K-type thermocouples, and next, what are the causes of the generation of temperature, effect of temperature, estimation, how can we calculate, measure the temperature and control it, cutting fluid application, in different mode. It is under flood cooling, minimum quantity, lubrication, fuel cooling, cutting fluid is coming in the form of mist by mixing it in a compressed air. Next, lots of cryogenic cooling. And next important is the cutting tool. What are the cutting tool failure? Wear and what is the tool life? Time up to which we can perform the cutting by using the tool. And next is the cutting tool material. What are the property cutting tools should have? Cutting tools should have high toughness, high hardness, more hardness than the workpiece. Role of geometrical and process parameter and cutting fluid on machinability. What is machinability? Is the ease of machining. A good machinability means we can do the machining operation by using cutting tool with low cutting force, low cutting temperature, good surface finish. So then we can say that this material is having good machinability. Next is the grinding operation. What is the mechanics of grinding, economy of machining and grinding, special technique and advanced technology of machining and grinding. Special technique means CNC machine, CNC lathe, CNC milling, CNC drilling, and some adaptive control system, cutting force by using dynamometer and different types of sensor, cutting temperature. We can do the adaptive control. If cutting force is high, then we have to provide low cutting speed, low feed rate, and less tool geometry, also right angle, clearance angle. These are the things we have to consider in the input parameter. In input, cutting speed, cutting feed rate, and depth of cut. This is the cutting parameter. Another thing is that workpiece material, cutting tool, geometry, and cutting tool material. These are the things we have to consider during the machining operation. There are lots of material: high speed steel material, low speed steel material, stainless steel, aluminum alloys, copper alloys, and some nickel-based super alloy like Inconel 718, Inconel 825, Nimonic, titanium alloy, which is having high strength to bed ratio. Nickel alloy is used at very high temperature application like in turbine. So for doing the machining on these material, what should be the tool characteristics? How much at which speed we can do the machining? Suppose we want to do the machining on Inconel 718. Then by using which tool we can do and up to which cutting speed 50 meter per minute. It is the high speed machining for the material nickel based superalloy, which is having high hardness, high heart strength. So these are lots of the things we should consider during the machining process. The book should be referred textbook Machining and Machine Tool by A. P. Chattopadhyay, Billy Production, Manufacturing Science by Amitabh Ghosh, Ashok Kumar Malik, Manufacturing Technology Volume 2 by P. N. Rao, Manufacturing Technology by R. K. Rajput, Lakshmi Publication. NPTEL video you can also see. Next is the what is the machining operation, value addition, input. We get the raw material and by using different process we create the we add the value, so then we get the output. Turning, drilling, milling, as you see in the video, these are the machining operation. Turning, drilling, milling. Other operation, boring, shaping, broaching tool is there. Why machining is important? Variety of raw material can be machined. Most frequently used to cut metals. Variety of parts, shape and special geometric feature possible. Screw thread, accurate round hole, very straight edge and surfaces. Good dimensional accuracy and surface finish. What are the advantages of machining? Generally performed after other manufacturing process such as casting, forging and bar drying. Other process create the general shape of the starting work part. Machining provides the final shape, dimension, finish and special geometrical detail that other process cannot create. Disadvantage of the machining: wasteful material in the form of chips. Time consuming. A machining operation generally takes longer time to shape a given part than alternative shaping process. Next topic is the machine tool. Machine tool is the stationary power driven machine that is used to shape or form parts made of metal or other material in four general ways: by cutting excess material in the form of chips from the part, by shearing the material, by squeezing the metallic parts to the desired shape, by applying electricity, ultrasound or corrosive chemical to the material. This category covers modern machine tool and process for machining ultra hard metals not machinable by older method. Classification of machine tool: general purpose machine tool like lathe machine, production machine tool, special purpose machine tool, single purpose machine tool which is used for only single purpose. Material removal process: a family of shaping operation, the common feature of which is removal of material from a starting work part so that the remaining part has the desired geometry. Machining: material removal by a sharp cutting tool. Example: turning, milling, drilling. Abrasive process: material removal by hard abrasive particles. Example: grinding. There is some non-traditional process. Various energy form other than sharp cutting tool remove the material, like ultrasonic machining, electric discharge machining, electrochemical machining, abrasive jet machining, water jet machining, abrasive water jet machining, electric discharge machining, laser beam machining, plasma arc machining. So these are the machining which is used for hard material. There is a not hardness barrier. For doing the machining operation, tool should be harder than the workpiece. For in advanced machining like unconventional machining, non-traditional machining, there is some another thing like spark. Spark is used for removing the material for generating the desired shape. Next one is the reverse of electroplating. That is the electrochemical process. In electroplating, we provide the layer on the material in electrochemical process by using chemical